Greetings everyone, my name is Nevi Paul, and in this tutorial I'm going to talk about how to create your email verification page. So this video will just show you guys how your UI will look like and how we will design it to look like this. So the thing is, I'm going to show you guys what we're going to do. So this is my ongoing project which I'm designing using React.js and PHP server-side and SAS. But in this tutorial, I'm going to use HTML, pure HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and PHP and MySQL to design these email verification code. So this video is about to show you how your UI will look like, how it will work. So let me just input some file like WE501. So these are five different input field, but I've made it as one. So when I'm submitting it, it will submit these values as one. So I'll show you guys in the next tutorial how we're going to do this to design something like this. So I'll also show you guys what's happening in the background. So behind the scene, let me just call like that. So since I'm using React, so my values are being stored in state. So I'll just take these values. As you can see, there are different values since they are from different input fields. So using my JavaScript, I'll make them as one and submit it to my PHP, then send it to user email address and send it to my database after user has received the email. So I'll show you how to send the email using PHP mailer, and also, as you can see, this is the value that is being sent to the user when the page refreshes, so that the user can get the verification code, then inputs into these input fields. So guys, hope I'll see you in the next video where I'll start coding, designing this page, then giving it functionality, then you have your complete email verification page. So you can use different types of input field, but in this video I'll be discussing only these type of email input field. So I'll be generating JavaScript code, then sending to the email address of a user. Then after the user receives the email address, it saves to the database. Then after saving to the database, when the user verifies it using here, it will change the verified column in the database as 1, since it's being sent as 0. So guys, let me not talk much. See you in the next video where I'll be talking about this.